Stand by.
Otherwise, I mean, it's been
spring.
Oh, we used to have dinner out there, everything. Oh, yeah. That's where my
grandparents
grandparents.
boy, I'm glad I didn't even bother anyway.
Yep.
It scares the shit out of me shooting that damn shotgun. I feel bad. 11 years old. I know. My daughter's 9. I've been trying to get her out here. She's just real skittish.
Shooter ready. Stand by.
Probably had down there.
Right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, we'll be there. Yeah, we'll be there today.
Mid-pack.
So do we.
That's the best part.
Yeah, we got some. We go to the Roanoke games. They travel up to Roanoke, Virginia, so we may. We got a group of 6 that are coming down for the games from Roanoke, so we'll be hanging out with them all.
I may go with it.
It's fun.
My grandson goes there.
Yeah.
The wind's always
Yeah,
bad.
it's a good time.
The last 2 days.
Eagle throw. It's a whole lot cooler to
But you wanna
beat
know?
the shit out of each other, not fight each other. They sit in the timeout box for 5 minutes. Yeah.
They get there, the wind is
Latest problem I have is
They would slow those guys.
Very well all year long.
They have.
Yeah, we don't have it just because a lot of times like
Last one. You're right there. I go up. I do Harney County every 2 weeks, and there's a lot of schools in that area. So pass right by there.
Gotcha.
was just looking at like, man, she's already.
Joffrey on. When he was young, he'd sit there and when he'd go and come back in and start nailing it. You're 11 years old, man.
We're good. Come on.